Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Don't stop. Okay. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Now good evening. Okay. For over here in Spain anyway, everywhere they closed down because of the coronavirus. But another coronavirus dey here too, wey be say we need to talk about today. Okay. The coronavirus na one guy wey una see say I tag for this live video. Una see the name, una see everything, and the audio wife, the audio supposed wife. Okay. Because why I tag this guy for this video? One, to save a lot of women. Two, they say, according to Bini, he say, amanatamoriyavu, wetoriyavu, or waiting a jolly. Three, they say too much of everything is bad. Four, forgiveness is a sin. Na me talker. Forgiveness for we in Africa, for we Nigeria, is a sin. Okay? Because of, if I do you, you go forgive me. A lot of people, they take until they do bad. These days, a lot of men, a lot of women, they take until they do bad. Forgive am. Later, I go do more evil. That is why I am here today. Okay? I'm here today because of another thing. One man complained to me about this guy, and another lady complained to me about this guy, and a lot of ladies will be say this guy don't offend. He don't break a lot of people home. It don't cause so much pain for a lot of people. So for me, like we will not believe in that judgment for heaven, when una come see God go say, oh yeah, come see Jay, the other one come. No, we now here I for they do my own judgment. If you fuck me up, I'll give you your own judgment for here. So today na judgment day for CJ. Okay, in with the audio wife. Now today be their judgment day. Okay, because I dey talk of a lot of behavior, and I dey try to advise some women. A lot of women say, babe, how far? And they try to tell a lot of women, say, there are some men, if they tell you good evening, you don't even need to look back or look them, just pass. You know why? Because, thank you, darling, thank you, my blood. Because those men, they're not worth them. They're not worth your good evening at all. And they tell our women, say, una need to dey select who you dey give this your body to, who you even dey mind self. Una need to dey select, not be pride, because some men, they are nothing but a dustbin. Okay? I know say before today, this man, the judgment don't gather down, but the universe needs somebody to expose this guy. Okay? Because this matter don't come for the past 6 days now. I go say I want to do I get work, I get this, I get that, I get that. When I see the time I do this video, so I don't contemplate along and think about this video a lot. But I still say it is worth doing. Okay? For people to know this guy. because I hear say Ife dey Italy before, and I get one of my friend wey dey Italy before for this video. Maybe una go know am. Because I hear say they pursue am for Italy because of this same behavior when they behave. You know, they say take eye see person wife, you know, they take eye see person relationship, you know, destroy am. So they pursue am for Italy. He can't come Spain over here. As he reach Spain here, he come and the state one day. Now so this boy dey fit follow everywhere. I don't know whether he get sickness, so I know say some people fit get sickness. You no go know. They go dey share the sickness up and down. You no go know. So if they state one day for here, today go fit follow this one. Tomorrow go fit follow the other one. Next tomorrow, you know, they even care whether the person get husband or not. But make I first start for wetin just bring us, wetin make me on this video, wetin make me dey think for the past 5 days to expose this guy. Make I just knock am that one down first. He gets the lady picture when this boy dey share dey go. He get the lady picture when this boy dey share dey go. He like that, and he say he get wife. Why I had the wife join this issue? Because that woman an audio wife. If she not be audio wife, and husband no go take picture for bed with another woman, he go na him even they share the picture, they go they give people for their WhatsApp, which means I brand Princess CJ as audio wife of 2020 for social media. Because me, I no go marry, my husband go carry picture, put himself for bed with another woman, he go they share and they go, they never born that man, go castrate am. So as she not fit do am, or she no know wetin her husband dey do, because I see say for her Facebook, she dey praise the man, she dey do everything, she no know say na monster na she married to. She no know. So I want make am know today, because this woman, I know they too they get cassava. You understand? She dey Nigeria, the man they go from Italy, from Spain to Germany, everywhere. She know they too they get cassava. So make we let her know the type of man when she married to today. Okay? Because this behavior, this attitude of so many men for Europe is getting out of hand, especially all these dusty men. Not be because man wear trouser, it means say na man. Some men, they are degenerated. They are just dustbin to start with. They are dustbin. Don't come and tell me all men not be like that. No, I don't even care if all of them be like that. Now they hear me, because now that one I think they cut the conversation. All men not be this. I don't care, but I'm just here to say what I know about this guy, for ladies to be very, very careful about him. Okay? So as he be saying an audio wife, now he take picture, now he get wife for house. Mona see as Nigerian men till they respect their wife. Now he get wife for house. Now he they sleep around for year. Now he even take picture with woman since 1 year ago. Now he take picture with the woman. I even talk to the woman everything. The woman tell me say he come in house, come make hair. Because I don't feel here say no woman will go make his hair where you know they sleep with. If he make their hair finish, he go sleep with them. They draw tattoo too. If he draw tattoo for the finish, he must sleep with them. No woman when be say he they let them pass, he must sleep with them. You know they respect people marriage, you know they respect people relationship, you know they respect anything. You want to sleep with them, take their pictures, and you go to show people, they go say, see say he don't sleep with those women. So the one where he can't make a cup full, this one, so the picture is there for my WhatsApp for you. Is I don't know, the woman tell me say he come in house, can't do hair. As he do hair finish, they chop, he can't dey zwan for the food. As they zwan for the food, now the woman can say, he can't say make he stay, make some food for her. As he make food for her finish, she can lie down for bed. As she lie down for bed, as the woman tell me, okay? Now until they talk and so. She say as she lie down for bed, this boy, or what he call himself, he can't lie down with her for bed. As he lie down with her for bed, now he snap this picture. I no go show now the lady face, okay? Because now that one he want make we share. I no go join and share that nonsense. And if you don't get that picture for your phone, don't share it. because this nonsense is getting out of hand. I don't know where they be like saying this. I don't know. Like saying this for one today. I even the picture when you fall like down there, I blocked the woman face. Now that picture. Anyway, let me just check if the picture there. No. No. Oh, I guess I put a picture for this side. So this guy, he not do any other thing apart from he take the woman picture finish for bed. He can't keep her for his phone since then. Although before they pursue her for this place, because they pursue her for our state for year, people pursue her. Now what he do? Now I want to tell you so. When because I know say he go still continue because now he's shaman. Many of his shaman they are so promiscuous. They get sexual problem. So make I dey tell you now. He wait till pursue her for this place. Since 1 year, he take this woman that picture for their house as the woman tell explain give me. So he keep the picture for his phone. He can't show everybody for a year. He can't dey stay for one house. As they stay for the house, he get one lady where they the house. Now she get the house. He can't dey sleep with the woman. And he know say the woman get boyfriend of 6 years when they don't date together. He can't dey sleep with the woman. As they sleep with the woman, that one not do am. The woman when see there the next room for the house, he can't see they sleep with them, with the other woman. They can't be two. When this boy they sleep with for the same house. If they sleep with them, that one not do am. He snap them picture naked. Whether they know or they don't know innocently, I don't know. He snap the picture. He keep am for his phone. He can't they show everybody for year. Even he matter reach police, he reach everybody for year. He know this man. This man they call go work, he go they sleep with the woman for house. If this man they go work, he go they sleep with this woman for house. If this man come for work, he go enter the other woman room and so they sleep with them. This boy when they talk about so, he don't make my hair. As he make my hair, now so he start to toast me. Oh, give me your number. Give me your number. I tell him say I know they give my number out, but I have public number because I be business. I get business here. I get public number. If you want my number, it dey door. But apart from that, say me give you my number. I'm not giving you my number. And why you want my number? He want to talk to me. I tell him say no. I don't need it because me I know dusty. I know dust me, the dirty me. I been with me. I don't pack my bag leave them tete. You don't say. I say I reject them. Men like this, I reject them. And I love the women when they accept them into their life because now this type of disgrace, now that they give the women at the hands because of that their leg and that their immorality and that their lack of integrity when they not get. Okay? So, he say he want my number. As they do my hair, now so they tell me as they sleep with all the women for a year. I no answer. Now so you sleep with this one. Now so you sleep with this one. Now so you sleep with this one. Now so they sleep with this one. And so I open my ear down at the peak. I say, eh? Now so the women spoil for year. Now so the women spoil for year. Now so I do this one tattoo. I don't sleep with her. Now so I do the other one tattoo. I don't sleep with her. He won't show me their picture for phone. Now I tell him say I don't want to see him. I don't want to contaminate my spirit. Not to say, I don't want to see their picture. I beg. But they measure their name for year. And this similar behavior, when they vex me so, another Asian boy still did the same thing for this state. He sleep with who he want to sleep with. Whether not sham that they use or whatever that they use. Now I want to tell you now. So, both the men, Mona they vigilant. Mona dey vigilant for all these useless Asian boys when Russian carry from Libya enter here. Many of them, they are evil. They are nothing but evil. They get nothing to contribute to this society as they get nothing to contribute to the society when they come. You people have to know them. And anybody when know this boy, anywhere he dey Germany now, I hear say dey Germany. Mona make sure if una know so na wife dey house, Mona know say they knock that woman. And if una girlfriend there, Mona know say they sleep with her. Not be good man. He's evil. He's a monster. Mona just know he's a monster. He's an evil person. He go say they do tattoo when they sleep with every woman when see for road. You people should be careful of him. So he can't do finish. They sleep with that one, the woman for house. At the end, the woman husband come here, he fiancé boyfriend, they don't dey together for 6 years. Now the relationship this boy break. So when the fiancé come here, everything problem come dey everywhere. Now so they come dey fight because the woman get multiple boyfriend too. She not responsible. The woman just still be like this boy. All of them are the same. Afiokodi family. Na me talking. Na no do shit. Afiokodi family. Women where they not they stay for one place, and men where they not they stay for one place. Now have no shame. Una not get shame. If this boy get sickness, now go give am to una. Anything where he gets, where they go, he go give am to una. Now say they tell me all of una they sleep with am. The single mother for year. Count me out. I know they carry rubbish. If I not marry, I go transfer. If I not feel marry black, I go marry Igbo. I no get time for dirty, useless men. Why they still of una they carry for year? Una supposed to upgrade una self. But una never still want to upgrade una self from all these dirty boys. All these traumatized boys who come from Libya. We not get life. They have nothing to offer. Apart from waiting they think for their head. It not pass fuck, how to fuck. They not get nothing for their apart from how to fuck. If they fuck finish, they'll take your picture. Or before you go meet them for us, they go on video. You get one way if they do one year, I go still expose them. You go on video. They go the video now, they'll come they show people how una vagina be, how una body be, how they take sleep with una. I don't see video. How una tell they suck them, suck the tea, public cassava. Now person go put for mouth. Now not get shame. If I dey talk, someone I love una, someone I get dignity for una self. Una go say I too dey make shakara. Why I know make shakara? Who all this idiot help? So this guy, nobody will not dey sleep with for this Victoria. He do finish. They come pursue one. They want beat. They catch am for road. They beat and everything. He come pack the load. He come run. He run. I hear say dey Germany now. Since 1 year now he go Germany. He not do am. The man when he sleep with a woman for the same for house when he for carry one room that time. That woman can't go Nigeria. The woman can't go do audio marriage. As the woman do audio marriage, now this boy come pack all the picture of the woman for Facebook. He send her go give this man. He send the picture go give this man. He never do am. The man not even answer am. He constantly carry one woman when they sleep with for Victoria here. He carry the woman picture. He send her go give this man for WhatsApp. What be the meaning of that one? You when you say you get wife for Nigeria. Now you they carry woman picture with you for bed. They post go give people. Now say make I help you post them for social media. That publicity where you want. Make I help you, make I give you the publicity where. Now the publicity they do so. If anybody knows say they Germany, you know this CJ. Stay away from him. He's a snake. They talk and say Ishan people are snake. But una they show me every day, every Ishan I see. Una they show me that thing where they talk so na be snake. Una they show every day so na be snake. Sneaky people. Una no get dignity. Una no get nothing to show for una self as a man. Every minute you people are thinking about how to fuck. How to fuck married women. And the way they pay me pass now, most of these gullible Benin girls, now they fall into all this riff-rat trap. Una be riff-rat. Now they fall into their trap all the time. Now only una get vagina. When be say all these rats, they don't fit talk to una, so they don't want them. They don't fit talk to una, so they don't want them. If you look their phone, una pictures fuller. For what? What is the meaning of that? You say you get woman, now you go snap a picture, you go to share her. So we go share your wife this evening now. Make people know that daddy, swagalicious husband. And that make me the talk and say, I don't emulate any Nigerian woman wey marry. I know they emulate una because all of you now, una know they live in una truth. Fake marriage now all of una dey. Audio marriage. One for the manage dirty prick wey not get value. Now they carry they go. Dirty prick. If you go the woman Facebook now, Princess CJ, my swagalicious daddy, my this one. CJ, you get pikin, you get pikin. Will you allow somebody to snap your daughter's vagina? Will you allow people to snap your daughter? What do they call privacy? Why they call it private parts? Why is it called a private part? If you have to snap all these women you are sleeping with, their vagina, their body, and go and be showing it to third party, woe betide you this evening. You will never have peace. Unless I never enter this matter, you will never have peace. Wait till you do this lady. You send the picture, go give the man finish. You tell her, say, because she go the woman bad, the woman poison her for the bar. Which means you have tendency to poison somebody. You have tendency to poison somebody. For you to use that language, say, the woman because it be like, say, now you sleep with person, girlfriend, a fiancé. Now you see they vigilate the man. You hear, say, the man go back on Sunday. And you don't sleep, you say you, because the picture where you they try to send, you they try to tell people, say, you don't sleep with the lady where you get the bar. Because the picture where you send, now you with the woman, you lie down for the woman bed. You they try to insinuate, give us, say, you don't sleep with the woman. You send and go give the man. When it be say, you don't already destroy 6 years relationship. Sleeping with the girl. When he carry flat for they live together, everything. The man go work, you go they sleep with the woman. You know, since when the man leave the woman for you, you even tell me, you say if the woman get belle, now so you go marry her, now so you go do this one. You never see marry her now. You never see marry the woman. What are you still waiting for? What are you goddamn waiting for? She did Victoria there now. Go and marry her. Go and marry that woman because you get a nakedness for your phone. Go marry her. If you not marry her, now turn that I go fire you. If you not marry those women where you put their picture for your phone, when you they show everybody, that's your marriage. You go scatter for your head. Your wife go turn to single mother. All the men when she they do her hair for that village, now you go come they sleep with her. So they do another woman. Because now beneath talk and rich like that say, Yahweh bege, aya boy in edo. They can look your body. They can't look your body. As you they do all these women, so you tell me say they be single mother. I go tell you say single mother not be disease. Now men like you, now I make many of them be single mother. Irresponsible and useless degenerated men. Who food this Europe. Now they make all these women single mother, and it is not a disease. If you say we check and your own mother is a single mother, your grandmother, they be all fucking single mother. So you don't dare come to me and talk nonsense. The day you made my hair, they travel, they go swimming for vacation. I just keep where they look you. Now that I know say you are so cheap, you are so fucking cheap. I pay you finish. Now so they draw me 10 euro. Now so they draw me 5 euro. Make I dash you. I dash you because I pass you. You already know say I pass you. That is why you are fucking begging me for money. That is how you beg all these women for money. You beg them for phone. The one where you they sleep with for house, when you get boyfriend for house. Now so that one buy you phone as a year. He buy you things. Now they feed you, do everything. I don't know say you are so paralyzed. You not feel work. You depends on your pennies to work. The day when you will call any woman Ashawo again, now turn that will fire you. Because you are a male prostitute already. Because you are prostituting with your body already. You are sleeping with all these women. It's not enough to get phone, to get plate of rice, and to get your bullshit or your HIV where you find for outside. Your wife go to Facebook, they praise you. You don't know, say you don't turn to nothing but an idiot for Europe here. Anybody when see your wife Facebook now, you say, ah, this man very nice, oh, hey, oh, he husband. They don't know say na audio fucking husband. How you be? You be audio husband. Your wife na audio wife. If she not be audio wife, I not see any man when he be say he get wife. He go sleep with woman for bed, take picture. He will go to share am for people WhatsApp. You know say you can't fucking do nothing. Because you be audio wife. As they fuck you now, so they fuck all the rest women. But the difference say you they born. You they give an extra. Because at the end, as this man they go so, the day when go jam, the woman will go jam. Una go see say something do am. Una go say when she don't kill her for na village. But una no know the evil when many of these men they take their hand they curse. Una no know the evil when they curse with their hand. Wetin make me not even the mind if I see all these boys rest in period. I know the mind because my eye don't see a lot of things where people don't do. In my eye, they see a lot of evil when these our boys they commit for you. They are so evil. They do things like say, not be mama bonding. No, they don't get sisters. You post this woman picture after 1 year, she not do you anything. She there at home. Me not there when you sleep with her. People when they post the picture, go give her WhatsApp. They not there when you sleep with her. You start to share a picture everywhere. If na nakedness to get now so you go share them. Now so you go share them. You share them, you not pay me. You share them, go they give the man when you don't already destroy a relationship. They sleep with your girlfriend for your nose. Take the girl nakedness picture when they say she wear Pinocchio. You don't show people for year around. You keep the picture for your phone. They show people. You even they send this lady picture. Go give that man. Wait till the man do you where they torture him. Wait till he do you. The disrespect when you follow the woman disrespect him. You don't even fear. After the man come up for bar, you they send a message say they don't poison her for the bar. Which means I happy say now the universe now liberates that man from una. You can't come free the man. You can't come free him. If not, maybe una for poison the man. Maybe una for poison her. Because for person to they live with una for that kind of house where you for they sleep with 2 women, the man go come from work, you don't know, he don't send man, he go enter house, he don't know say una they fuck for his nose. You can't, they tell me say you get wife. I believe say that your wife, everybody they nyash her too. Because if everybody know they nyash your wife from today, I lay curse on you. Everybody go they nyash her. Everybody go they nyash that your wife for you. As you they plated, they sleep with people wife, they sleep with everybody. They take and boast. Now some people go see they come they plated for your wife and see they nyash them. Now so you go be, or unless you go come and you go apologize to all the women when you don't sleep and destroy their name. And now I'm going to tell you, I'm going to leave Dusty alone. Leave a man that have nothing to lose alone. A man that have legacy, that have good job, he have reputation. How the fuck he go tag a picture with one woman, they send her everywhere. This guy have nothing to fucking lose. He not get nothing to lose. Leave men that don't have nothing to lose alone. If they can come with money, job, everything, give a fuck about them. Don't give a fuck about them. Don't give a fuck about them. Because that thing will make them look broke. When you be saying that you need to buy their phone, and you need to fuck them extra, now you need to give them everything. That problem is a psychological problem. At their fucking age of 30, 35, they cannot even do nothing tangible with their life. There is a problem somewhere. They already have problem. But una know they understand. This one go carry their dirty sweat, come sleep with una. The other one go come, carry una dirty sweat, come sleep with una. For what? Una be toilet. Una be toilet, now una start to do single mother. Now una start to do single mother. Because I don't understand this behavior of all of una. Look at this dirty boy. Now so he like be for ground. Very ugly thing. Very ugly thing. As that your wife fine rich, you not feel respect her. And me, you want me to respect her. I'm not fucking respecting her. Because you put her in the spotlight. You put her in the spotlight. Until you want share that woman picture, continue to share am. Continue to share am. And don't look for now where they Germany. Mona not forget to share this video. Mona share am. Anybody for Germany, share am to your friend for Germany. May they see this boy. He dey make it, they do tattoo. They say that in Italy, now they for pursue one before. He a pay man who in Italy. He dey sleep with married women. He dey sleep with any woman where he see, anyone where he do hair. Maybe na sham, maybe na nonsense. He take dey sleep with them. Make all of una know. Alert. Alert. This will not be coronavirus. This one, he passed coronavirus. This boy, he passed coronavirus. If you see him with a leaking mouth, I know Ishame is talkative. They talk too much. They are talkative. They talk well. They know they ask the question before they talk. Ishame with this type of behavior and this type of tendency, they talk too much. They are always talking bullshit. They know they ask the question before they talk. They be gossiper, chronic gossiper. This boy na chronic gossiper. They know they ask a question. If you just call and come make your hair now, he go start to gossip for you. He go start to gossip. Now there you foresee waiting not make am do work when him fellow men they do. Now then I will for know say he get that gayish problem. Maybe he don't know his sexual orientation. Now he make am it's okay making the do hair. Because now they go forget vaginas. When go they do. Now so go make your hair. You go start to talk. They know the answer. They know the answer. If you want no one, call and make come do your hair. Set trap for them. They record them. They record them. Now so go say, I don't sleep with this one. I don't sleep with this one. I don't sleep with this one. All this women wait they here. He go they describe their vagina for you. Useless idiots. Now person go see they call this one my husband. Audio husband. Audio one. No shame. Now they Europe. The behavior one that they possess, Oyibo no they possess her. Oyibo cannot sleep with any woman and post the picture because he know the law that follow it. He knows he breach that person privacy. He not go try him. If not do not, so not they Europe. When be so not they useless. And the woman say go denuncia you. And I stand by her back. She go denuncia you. They go put you for buska. When you go put your leg for Spain, they go pack you, go deport, go join your wife for Nigeria. Mona go they play there for them. Mona they sleep with everybody, both una family for that because una not get sense. Now so Jonathan still come that time. He sleep with the whole women for here. Both the married one or sleep with all of them. Now I start to do single mother. Una go yes, say man not good now. They shook una head they put, especially the Benin girls. Una go they shook una head they put. I don't know what they do now. I don't know what they do now. I don't know the kind of environment they for train many of una. I don't know. Self-dignity of a woman, una no even get. That una vagina, now una dignity be that, una respect be that. No other thing. A man have to come with everything. Now, anybody not open a leg, anybody not open a leg, they go the video una up and down. They take una picture up and down. And one thing I want to tell una ladies, if any man take you picture without your consent, maybe you dey rub cream or you just dey enter house, you not to wear clothes wey cover you, man take you picture, and he tell you say, you tell us, why you take me picture? Or you shock? Why you take me picture? He go say, okay, I don't delete am. Na lie. No let am comot for your house. That phone self season. That's a phone season. No let love owe you. That's a phone season. Keep that a phone. Not until you check the picture when they inside that phone. Even though say generation, papa and mama, he motherfucker when he born and they inside that phone. You go delete that your picture come up for inside. You go delete them. Delete every picture where they inside that phone. Self. Why you go take your picture if you not get malicious intention? Say you want go share your picture. Waiting one fucking man want take your picture they do. Even though say give you 5,000 ring when make boa for hand. he not get any right to take your picture, to take your picture. And any fucker wey demand your picture from you, no say he not responsible. Wetin you want take your picture to do? Now wetin they take girls picture they do? Now be this. They'll go they show all this idiot. See a picture, I don't sleep with her. See a picture, I don't sleep with her. Wetin they worry una? Wetin they worry una? No allow any man take you picture. Even though they give 5,000 euro ring for her, no let her take you picture. Why? Wetin you want take your picture do? Even though it's not your husband, wetin you want take your picture do? Your face picture never do you. Your face it never do you. For now tomorrow, when you with her will get small argument, yeah, I go post a picture. Who the fuck be all those men? Where they for bring una up? Don't allow any of them. Don't allow any of them. Any guy will take your picture, take you picture, that is phone. If you not feel break that phone that day, if you not give you that phone, you know they come out. If now you call police for her, and me talking. Call police for her. We dey talk all these things for here now because if this woman go now, you go report you to police now. They will say, now me they tell you now, Mona call police for them. Mona call police for them. They know they respect themselves. Waiting. That call police for you. Who be this idiot? Man, when they go, they show people picture when they sleep with woman. That one a man. As space it be, now so they treat them. As space it be, now so they treat them. You cannot be protecting people that don't protect you. You don't feel respect a man that don't respect you. Fuck that man. You don't feel the respect. You don't feel they hide person when not they hide you. Person when you want draw your leg come at you, you go the hide her. You go the respect her for what now? One of they use una sense. It cannot take what they beg. Una they tolerate nonsense. They follow me. They do as if say una not see man before. What it be una problem? Una want end up like most of una mother that wasted their time doing no bullshit. Apart from to born children. And please one useless man that have nothing to offer. If not be say Europe, who be this boy? Go check it. Very dirty and smelly thing. Very smelly human being. You put a picture for phone. Make it come. When someone do that time, make the woman send her 5,000. Make it send her 10,000 before he go delete the picture. This boy was doing this thing in this city. He go invite guests come house. He go hide camera. He go the video there. He was showing everybody this video everywhere. Even he got 2 guests pregnant in this state before he left. And left the responsibility for these ladies to be caring for. Make thunder fire am for where he did for Nigeria there. He still run back to Italy because there vagina full there like nothing. If you no still fuck, you no rest. You no go rest. You no go rest. When be say Nigerian boys, they cannot sleep with women. They not going to take our boss because many of them are jobless here. People are supposed to be at home, learning weather, learning mechanic, and doing things with their time. They'll come stay for Afro shop here. They gossip and waste their fucking time everywhere. They'll say they do Europe. Tomorrow they'll send a person they worry them. When be say they don't take their hand, cause problem everywhere. All these women when they sleep with, they carry their picture, go they show people. So if they wake up day and night, they swear for you. Or do you think you will have peace? Do you think you will have peace in your life? Tomorrow night something do you now, your wife go say that these people don't chop you. They don't know say the evil way they do is too much. What did this woman do you now? Nothing. You when they play tax for house, you know open store, you know they pay tax, you know they do nothing. A woman when open a bar, open a store, they pay tax everything. Person go drink for a bar, you go they send her the woman need a picture when you tell like that with her for bed. What it concern the man? After you don't sleep with the same man, he woman, you go they send her the picture. They tell her say they poison her. That proof when you say that they poison and bring her come out. If you don't bring her come out, I go investigate you. Maybe some people you go don't poison them. Because now that poison they reign for many of una now. How to poison people. You know the quiz show. For you to send the man message say they poison her for bowing for go drink. Maybe una don't they plan and wanna be poison the man for the house owner for the fuck for a nose. Betrayers. You take the woman picture, they show everybody because you not get shame. Now so Joe come here, Joe do the same thing. Joe Assault View. Now they call her Assault View or something like that for Facebook. Now so they sleep with all the women for here. Married women and all. They post their picture, take them video, they keep. The girl when born for her. Now so they show everybody the girl vagina. Young small girl. We go gullible, go born for those animals. Now animals are they call them. If me, I thank God say no go happen. If I get 10 months belly for people like una, I'll go abort that pikin. I will never born that child and see that pikin for face. Now me talking. Now me talking. Una not be human being for wetin I don't see for una hand. Wetin I don't see for una hand. These champ people. Now, many of una men not be human being. I dey see they talk and I repeat her for this video. I pray make I meet Ishama when he be say he did like this. He hear correct. Because the one I don't see, una they exhibit a lot of narcissism. Many of una be narcissistic people and wicked and evil people. I see evil for the behavior when una they put on for everywhere. Many of una they promiscuous. Be like so una get sexual problem. Una get sexual problem. Many Ishan boys for this Europe, mona stay away from them. Beanie girls, mona stay away from all these boys. They are sick. They are sick. Una know the year and say Ishan women, they know they come up for husbands. Even though say they take pan, they auto pan, they pan. Too much abuse. Too much abuse when their father, they abuse their mother. They will stay there, they will absorb all the whole abuse, all the whole problem. Later, they'll come and take and worry everybody when they are around them. They are abusive people. For you to the post person picture when they say, you not do anything, the woman dey home, you don't first show people for this picture, you not do you, they drive you come up for here, go Germany. Germany, oh, I'm gonna go check your Facebook. I don't know where they for Facebook. Mona not let this boy they play to na wife again. If they fuck them, they sleep with the women. If they sleep with them. Now you know what it is, they sleep with them. If they sleep with them, if you draw the tattoo finish, go sleep with them. If you play their hair, you go sleep with them. Mona open una eye for CJ. Make una not trust him with una wife. Make una not trust him with una daughter. He's sick. He's a sick human being. He has sexual problem. He dey sick. Now so they call me for night. It is say I be all those angry single mother when they carry my enter house. No bagger they enter my house. No bagger because una be dustbin. Una be basura. They call me for night. Me, I go say me you come my house to come and do what? To come do what? Eh? Now fuck they hungry me. Now what to be my problem? To come contaminate my spirit? No. No. Call me. See me fast. I just call you not pick for. I don't see your number. Which one be you not see my number? I don't see your number. What to be your number? I see him. I don't entertain idiots. I don't entertain dusty men. Men that have no fucking thing to lose. Men that have no life. Low life. I don't go wait till they take low life till they do. If I don't see man, I go day my own. All of una be dustbin. Now me they tell una. Because una own don't too much. Every woman will una see one friend. Every woman will una see one friend. Una think everybody just they cheap like that. Hey, as you call me that night now, say me you come. Now so it's free. As they talk on that day, now so they sleep with this one. Now so they sleep with that one. Who be the fool? Me? It will never happen. Not anymore. Make una open una eye for all these fucking goddamn Ishan boys that have no life. Low life Ishan boys. Low life CJ. Mona open una eye. Mona not dey entertain this idiot for una house. Now nothing but a monster. You go sleep with all women finish. You keep their pictures. You keep their videos for your phone. Are you not sick? You not dey sick? Your wife go dey Facebook. My swagalicious daddy. My this one. Man that take family. Audio wife. You be audio wife. Stop that nonsense. Stop it. Now so all these young girls go dey emulate una. This one they marry. You know say na cassava. Na public cassava now you get. As a husband. If your husband value you, fear go let am go take picture of woman wey you don sleep with for the past 1 year. Go dey post the picture for people WhatsApp. You see you say you be audio wife. You be audio wife. So stop posting that man picture. Because now everybody penis. Now everybody get am. The luck when you get say you born. And at the end, all those people where your husband they call single mother, you go to single mother too. Now another man I go help you train that children. As your husband carry prick put for everywhere, they fuck around. They take women picture, they take their picture, they take their video around. When time reach, now another person go help you train your own children. Because enough is enough. Enough is enough. All these Benin girls, una no go let them rest. Una no go let them rest. They know their eye no go ever open. Their gullibility is too much. Their gullibility is too much. Any man will make una don't run follow them. Una no they look the quality of men. Una no they look the quality of men. Una think say man will get something to lose. He go carry picture when he take like that with woman for bed. Go they post them for WhatsApp. Obviously, he have nothing to fucking lose. He don't get anything to lose. As they play time, follow everywhere they fuck they go. So that is the only legacy he wants and he have. Una want put una self for nonsense. Because of so now want do 5 minutes fuck. Now we'll cook for this idiot. Now say they talk and so now they cook for her. Me cook for one man. For what? For what? Now go cook for her, call and make her carry phone, buy phone, give her. What is the meaning of the type of life we wanna come? Now they make us the shame for ye. If not be the way one they show CJ when do leg like this. See, if not be as na they show her, this boy no go fear for his life. Come they toast me, say they call me for night. Now saw this single mother. Now saw the like. Princess CJ, warn your husband before you go enter 6 feet. Warn her. Warn your husband because it is getting out of hand. That idiot, the father of your children, fucking warn him very well. Because all these fucking Ishan guys, they are doing so much damage over here. And if they not take time, so all of them go to enter grave one by one. Because their wickedness is too much. Now me talk and say forgiveness is a sin. You don't need to goddamn forgive all these bastards. Una no go sleep with woman. Una no go snap the picture. Una no go sleep with woman. Una no go hide camera. Are you people down so sick? Una just they so sick like that. So anybody when they Germany, wanna take note of the picture. Prince CJ, his wife named na Princess CJ. Audio wife with a public cassava where they praise for Facebook. I hate fake marriage. And I hate fake women. Your husband say you want to come marry the lady where you go to sleep with for year. He say, if they wait me get belly. And so he tell me, what are you still fucking waiting for? That one go do audio marriage. You dey snap the picture of Facebook, come they give the man who scatter their marriage, their relationship. All these women single, they're single because of you. Now because of you, they're single. Now because of you, they're single, CJ. Enough is enough. The one where Jonathan do for you that time, he don't do. I don't want all of now because of all of now enter social media. If I see una with nonsense again, una nyash go open for public like this. I dey warn una all the time. All these idiots when be say they don't even get money for recharge card. Their slippers don't fight for leg. Mona no they give them space. Niola, ni how are you? Mona no food they answer them. They say I know they answer people. I don't give a fuck because una all that tomorrow now, so una don't sleep with me. Una know what I tell Jonathan the day when by mistake they can't touch me because of my useless ass when I get before. I warn him. Say if he try him again, me with him will enter court. You won't be motherfucker when they sleep with women, they video now. You can't they touch me. They touch me because it thinks I be all those women when they sleep with. It is I be all those married women when they sleep with. I wanna never you in your fucking life put your finger on me. I don't care what in my head tell you. Don't try it. Now this idiot still come. You want how they come in for night. Come in now, make a come meet you for us. Not be fuck they hungry you. I go castrate you. As the women not fit do you waiting they're supposed to do you. They like that for your bed. Because they want for 5 minutes. Now they give all this men road to think say they be human being. You people, una know they do them any good. Una know they do them any good sleeping with them. Because they are dusty, dirty men. We never bath. See CJ with his dirty leg that time. Una go see carry that one enters. Because of that one, you destroy your relationship because of a pig like CJ. You not fear. You they send the man picture. They send and say that una poisoner. Una go for poisoner when they sleep for his nose. They talk and say Isha people, Isha men are betrayer. Now number one. I don't count on one. I don't count on plenty on behavior now almost similar. The same man, similar behavior. It's shown that narcissism is too much. Isha women they stay for husband. Being women, you know the hair and the fuck that they absorb for the husband has. You know the fuck that they absorb for that useless fucking husband has when they day. Their children go take dirty pathology, stupid behavior when they take their fucking husband house. They stay for husband house, even though say their husband panted, they don't go come out. You know who the whole heat they go they touch? The children. That is why you see their children, many of them are useless today. They are useless as husband. They cannot, you can't do nothing with them. They are narcissism and destroying behavior. Jealousy is the order of the day for them. You see a man that is jealous. A man that is enemy of progress. See this one now. You see person go person back. You they go the same message say they poison the person. You know, not be spoil, you want spoil the woman business with that. You want you see man say you sleep with the woman, you take a picture, it not do you. You want to spoil the woman business, John. That one not be monster. That one not be evil person. If una do, everybody not be like that. Una know what I don't see from una we be Nigeria men. Una know what I don't see for una not be even from me. If I talk my own, everywhere go bust. Una know what I don't see from una. That is why when I want to talk of una, you talk, I go una where. I know they pity una. The one way good, now go good too. The one way not good, I not go look say because your gender you be man. Yeah, I go pound you as they pound pardon the arm. Now me talk and say forgiveness is a sin. Because CJ thinks say this woman, people go forgive her. You don't get as he go do bad rich. People go forgive her. Now me tell this woman, say make it chill. I go pieces you. I go pieces you. Now so just do evil for years. Sleep with up and down for this place. They show us women till they suck that dirty, infested, diseased penis. They show everybody women vagina for this day. I keep quiet, they look on her. Because that time, una evil they reign. But this time, I don't feel one una. If I hear fear for una, say man, what I go do una? What I go do una? I they ask you CJ that day. I say, why you come up for Victoria? What you tell me for WhatsApp? You say, the message to them is sorry for Messenger. The message to them my Facebook. I come up for Victoria because they say they sleep with person wife. But not be me put their pint to the message to them my phone. Don't be me put their pint to and they put their pint. Me thunder fire you. Anybody put pint, you go sleep with them. Are you stupid? They say now I come out to apart from that I know they see customer again. Why you go see customer? When you they sleep with married women, single women, everybody. Why you go see customer? When you go draw tattoo finish, you start to caress the women. Why you go see customer? When you go fix women hair finish, you want carry their number. Irrelevant whether they are fucking married or not. You want to go and sleep with them. Why you go see customer? Tell me. Tell me. I'm talking to you people because I don't fucking need any of you. I don't need you. All of una when you think say I'm a bad person. I know say una have problem with una spirit. Una have problem with una brain. That is why I don't need category of you riff rats. Dead among the living. Now una be. Una don't take my destroy Benin girls. Because they are so gullible to sleep with you people. Because they refuse to level up their level. How many of them they beautiful rich? I know say they don't get education. They don't get brain, common sense. That is why they are still lying and having babies with all you motherfucker. They see they waste their womb for men that have nothing to lose. That is what you are. Posting this woman picture on WhatsApp to everybody in Victoria, it shows that you have no fucking thing to lose. So I'm here to pound you as the pump and the yam. Because you got nothing to lose. I'm here to disgrace you. Because that is what you want. You and that your audio wife. When they praise you for Facebook. Make her see that a useless message for Facebook again. If not only she dey fuck you, she go tell me. All the women when come they sleep with you for your call, you don't give them respect. Are you crazy? You don't go give them respect. All the women when you get their video, get their picture for your call. Not be the same work when your wife they do that they do. You not get respect for them. Make I see say you put any nonsense for Facebook again. Princess CJ, your husband, carrying man, nonsense. You don't know say that dirty, stinking, infested penis when your husband they carry they go so that people get that for you. You don't know say that public thing. You don't know. Make I they tell you now, make you they know. That penis belongs to a lot of women here. So stop claiming it. Stop claiming it. You be audio wife. Your husband has disrespected a lot of women here and break so many people's heart, break so many people's home, destroy so many people's stability and reputation. So get the fuck out of Facebook there and stop putting that stupid man on Facebook saying that your husband. Man, when they play there, when I hear your mates they do, when you are supposed to be doing something relevant, you they play there. You see how sneaky you are. You want to play there so that you can be sleeping with every vagina when you see. You want to do tattoo. so that any woman when you see go dey sleep with her. You not follow this useless woman go court. You not follow and go court. You not follow and go court, go report the other boyfriend when they sleep with her. You with the other boyfriend, and una not go dey fight. May you see how useless you herself with the woman. To just see how useless you are with that woman. You not be only you want she dey sleep with self. As you dey sleep with the woman in the next door of the same house. As you dey sleep with her, she still get an extra boyfriend for her, and she still get another boyfriend inside her house. You see how useless all of you are. If they do those all Europe women, it get class. It have class. Not be everybody they open their leg up and down. Make idiot come they vomit put. Make idiot come they plant dirty children for your stomach. Because if you still born, now useless children, you will still born like this. Where you think say you for carry all these things? Isha men, Isha women, they stay for husband. As soon as they stay for husband house, all the children want to be born useless. They have bad behavior, badly behave. They don't think any other thing past sex. Fuck. Born children everywhere where they not fit take off. Useless men. Everything a fuck. They don't go sit down 5 minutes. They don't they talk of fuck. What it make me stop all of una? When I know they come my store. When I call they talk of una useless fuck. All una made they work. Now una tell they fuck. Now they discuss every time. Why stop all you fucking Nigeria not to come my store? I don't need that now fucking money when I tell they buy drink. I don't need it. At the end of the day, una talk of nothing than fuck. Una pocket zero. Now go jump enter all this useless single mother house. Go they sleep with them. At the end, I'll see everybody now one rub shoulder with them. If they sleep with this one, who be your mates? Continue to share that woman video. Continue to share that woman video. Tomorrow, I go see do video for your head. I will carry you go YouTube. Go my channel for YouTube. Go do video for your head. Continue to share the woman picture. You sleep with woman. Whether you sleep with her, the woman say you don't sleep with her. But everybody when don't see that picture, they talk and say, oh, this one don't go Jericho, come back. Yes, that was the thing you really wanted to insinuate. That was what you really want to get. For people to talk, say you sleep with the woman. Because nobody will see you with woman like that for bed. That is why I don't allow you for my house. I don't allow you fucking people. If they tell me, I say, which color be man, I don't know because I don't allow. I stay away, 100 miles away from you people, even if it cost me money. I don't need you now. Una too dey toxic for my spirit. Una too dey toxic for me. The way one after they behave. No will come with no story of €5. I will not take fuck. I will not take fuck. Person coming today saying see the picture. All those one don't go Jericho come back. I dey laugh. Because that was what you wanted to get. To stain that woman's name. Whether you sleep with her or not. That was really the objective where you want get. For people to talk, say, you don't sleep with her. The woman boyfriend leave her as you see the picture. You leave her immediately. You don't get the objective where you want. The boyfriend leave her. Because you don't turn to home wrecker. The thing say na only woman be home wrecker. I mean they talk. Many Europe men 80% they are fucking home wreckers. They wreck home one way or the other. And all of them, many of the 80% are gay. Now me talk and be gay and not like woman. More than fucking open una sexual orientation and face una garden business for this Europe. And leave all these women life, vagina and their womb alone. More than stop to the procreate with all these women. Una not be man enough. Una not man enough. Una like man. Una face man. Una stop to the make use of women vagina, of women womb. Today they born children where be say una no fit take off. You post the woman picture, yes. Everybody just they talk and say you don't go Jerusalem, come back. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? And you still like the way why they deal with you for year now? You like am. Because I give una all the fucking warning. After Joe do the evil when he do for year. When they pack women, they go house. I know so many married women where Joe slept with here. I know una. You people have no shame. For that rat, that pig, to sleep with una. Now not get shame. Now how they touch me here for near my store. I give her warning. I give her warning. I give her warning because I know they tolerate nonsense. Una know. I know they tolerate nonsense. Because I know now. Come on, good morning now. So I don't sleep with person. That is why I know they follow now. Put now. So I know they greet. I know they greet because I don't already know some be dusty. I know they greet dusty. Since I changed my mindset from now, everything they go fine for me. I don't need you people around me. Una no fit boast of common 1,000 euro for hand. Fuck. When I don't sleep with this one. When I don't sleep with this one. When I don't sleep with this one. Waiting. All day. Now they think of sexual fuck. If una do not say women not good for Europe. You go put your wife for Nigeria. Can't they sleep with all the women where you see for here? Next time, any of una when I cash for this Victoria. When you of una when I cash. When I hear say, una they do all this nonsense. Una go chop una eye for my hand next time. Both the women, all of una where they open una leg down. If husband has not let una enter, una get out from there. If husband has not let una stay, pack out. Another person go carry the man. If woman not let you deal with, get the fuck out from there. And let another person carry the woman. All this useless occupy one of the occupy people life to useless the people. After you destroy person relationship finish, you still have the girls, they send out pictures of the audio marriage when the woman go do. They send out pictures of women where you don't sleep with. That is how your narcissistic behavior they go. You want to continue to torture the people. As you say they put mat for all the women vagina for year, they break all of them, give me. Man will not get shame. Any woman where you see, you want suck them. Every woman where you see, you want suck them. Now that kind of man, that person they do, my hobby, my mother. Fuck you, Princess CJ. Fuck you, no girl husband. Go take back seat. You don't have husband. Your husband is a destroyer. He's a destroyer, and they talk am for you. They do evil without no pity. That is why I know they fucking they pity una if I want to deal with una. I do not know if it do me nothing. Because everything why they talk for you, not be lie. If una do anything, go back to all of una in 20,000 fold. Because una evil, una not a pity. That is why I took that. I read una psychology. I don't pity you people if I want to fucking talk to you. I don't pity you people. I always make sure I deal with una. Because most of una will be Nigerian man. If they don't give una, they give people, una not they learn. You have to taste the medicine you are giving people for you to know how it tastes. Because many of them are not the tester. Now I make una they continue with una evil. If you the tester after 1 year, you know go carry person picture, they post them around for WhatsApp, they share and they give people. Say you don't sleep with them. And you say you get wife. That is how bold many of una be. Because una wife want to play a good game. Who he help now? Who he help when your husband disrespect you publicly? Because the man for his mind, he take you as a object, he take you as nobody, he take you as nothing. To even say na him, not be the woman they post, na him they post the picture publicly. Another thing say the picture dey your phone. Okay, the picture dey your phone. Good. Say you can't dey post am to third party, fourth party, fifth party. They post the picture, go give the girl boyfriend. That one boyfriend don't leave her now. Clap for yourself. What are you going to do? When I say una be destroyer, they pain una. Ish and boys. When I say una be destroyer, they pain una. Mona not let them pain una. I just happen to say I never take my eye see one Ish and man. We not get promiscuous spirits. We not get wayo spirits. Betrayer up and down, destroyer. Spirit when they fans and want to draw woman, that woman when they shine, woman when gallant. He pay me. Not until I will see. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I never see. The ones when they see, their behavior they very, very similar. That is why I continue to talk about my dirty behavior. Make una get shame, make una enter us. Make una get shame. Because this una promiscuous spirit, so one day it will draw una enter grave. Una wickedness is getting out of hand. And a beneath guests, and they fall into this una dirty trap. Una tell they fuck everywhere. They carry their picture up and down. Nobody can take my picture. I talk am. I take am take na chest. Nobody go fit take my picture. Because I don't entertain low life. I know they entertain low life like una. Man will not get anything to lose. I no get wetin they take and do. You don't get anything to lose. If you have better work, you get life, you get real family, not be audio wife, your wife be. You not go post woman when be say you sleep with picture because you know say there is a fucking consequence from your wife. You see say your wife now low life, she not get anything. She not get reputation. She have nothing when she go fit do you. That is why you did what you did. That is why you are posting this lady picture. That is why you continue to terrorize the man that you slept with his fucking girlfriend. If the man come, you will stay with them for hours, they drink. All of una be they disgusting. Una they disgusting. And I dey tell all of una for Germany, mark it, CJ, the boy they do hair, he toy, get bigger, he do leg like this. Now low life. If you get wife, you get girlfriend. Una they stay the same house. Be careful. You get pikin for that house. Be careful. It's a low life. He is a low life. He not get life. He not get nothing to lose. So be careful. All the day when they Europe, now so they post their picture. They post their picture for Facebook, old women. Because you have nothing to lose. Your wife thinks that 50 euro where they can't give her. And now they are handy for the 50 euro now. Any man where don't they collect money from woman, now low life, he not get nothing. He have nothing to lose, not be man. Any man when he believes say now woman go give her phone, now woman go give her food free, now woman go give her free fork, now woman go put her for house. It's a low life. Now me talking. Now man will not get anything to lose. So ladies, stop entertaining this man. They need to go bath. They need to go bath. They never bath. Stop entertaining men we never bath. I've stopped it. Since I stopped it, my life improved immediately. These men are fucking dusty with a dusty spirit. They go just disengage you out of nothing. So stop entertaining all this bullshit men. If you like, you be single mother. Single mother not be disease. Stop entertaining them. They have no life. They have nothing to offer you apart from that public, useless, smelly pennies when they carry everywhere. They don't give you anything past STD disease. So stop entertaining them. They have nothing to offer. Waiting. Stop it. Just cancel those type of men out of your life. If they agree to, don't answer them. Don't even mind them. It will put nothing, add nothing or subtract nothing out of your life. But then, who the help? See now. If you don't entertain all these useless men, they will not even have anything to say about you or to even sleep with you. CJ when they lick women vagina up and down for you. I get your picture. When they lick women vagina for my phone. If you make film, I go post am. Man, when they put mouth for everywhere, but mostly shame, they are like that. They don't have dignity. They don't have respect for themselves. Very gullible and useless human beings. I never see local champion when it pass them. Shitty. They go get wife for us. They go, they sleep everywhere. They destroy everywhere. So destroy. Mona go find who cause you now. The same behavior. The same. So make una hear Germany people when they Germany. Make una hear. CJ. Don't make that mistake. Don't make that mistake. If you know and send out this video, if you know anybody for Germany, send them this video. He's a hairstylist. Na hairdresser. Make I talk am for pidgin English. Na hairdresser. They do hair. They do tattoo. If you do una tattoo finish, you go enter una vagina. So be careful. Men, be careful. Not trust am. Say you leave am for us. You dey go. You want go meet you want go work. Person no go work again. Man no go work again for Europe, for una. Hot pants women. Hot pants. Hot pants women. Man no go work again. Stay house. 24 hours na fuck. Because una not get nothing to offer apart from una vagina. To bath self na problem for una. Multiple boyfriend everywhere. Not be say €5 they come out. I not say me not get multiple boyfriend, but make money they come out. Una problem be say this one will come the chop up ball for una ass. The other one na they to go una vagina. The other one na go buy phone for her. The other one jacket not complete for your body. Now I want buy jacket for her. The other one bossers not there in Yash. Now I want buy bossers for them. Now you be their mama. Now you be their mama. When you send them go suicide, may they go past Libya. Are you their mother? No go here. If na soon you know they spend for man, I'll say because he not get. Man we not the same menstruation. He not get big breast. Wait be say they disturb him. He not get pikin from hand. He not get womb. Now go they feed them. Now go they take off am. Mean what? Mean what? Una be handicap. No who get wetin they call high self-esteem. No get dignity. No know na what as a woman. Una don't know why they give una that vagina. Una don't know why na get womb. Na to they born for free. To they fuck everybody where come it to na. Everybody na fuck. They born free children. They give one bagger. Make una arrange una self, Make una arrange una self because we dey shame. All this na so all the old Benin girls be. Na so the Benin girls be. You have to stop. If they don't sleep with 1, 2, 3, 4, they'll come they try another person. Because anybody will try me, I go slap him. I go slap him. I don't get time. I don't get body where person come they touch. All this dirty pig. All this smell will not get life. If you know they sleep with it, they not go carry on a video. Snuggle girls man, now go they sleep around everywhere. They will think and so everybody be. Enough. See CJ, see leg for ground. Una see Russian for Victoria. I go preach for una. When una want high una level, when this una level go high, Edo girls. When all the does be, na una. Waiting happen. As many of una fine rich. That your womb is precious. That your vagina is too precious for all these idiots to come dey vomit put. Dey carry your picture, carry your video, go dey show people. Who born them? Mona dey think. If this woman not entertain this idiot for the house, he no go see his picture carry for bed. He no go see. My bed, na so it wide. If I lie down put, I go roll go here. I go roll go here. Anybody wey go occupy my bed, he have to come with everything. No be only pennies. He have to come with everything. I say so. Enough of this one when they settle for nonsense. They settle for prick. They born for nothing. Waiting they follow una body start. See, Jonathan come here, he pack all of una picture, pack una video. Both married women, both unmarried women. He sleep with all of una. Give 2 girls belle, they born now only doing the carry pikin they go. Wetin be una problem? Before man take cream touch his body, he don't turn hot cake for una. CCJ wey see the bleach. One color here, one color here, one color here, one color here. Una still dey rush am. When man go come this Victoria, he go do now. You say fuck you. Go do one like this. When everybody man go come this place now, go dey rush am. This thing they call it, they spread sickness. What una they do so? Yeah, they spread sickness. The way when some useless method they talk about ladies for here, I dey shame. If you know say you dey participate for all this rubbish, married or no married, stay away from all these dusty men. Stay away from all these broke men. Stay away from all these losers. They are losers. They don't get anything to lose. Who gets something to lose? If he sleep with woman self, he go close his mouth. Not to talk of say, go dey post the picture for WhatsApp. Obviously, he have nothing to lose. Even with his wife and his children, he don't even care. That is a behavior of a dusty man. He have nothing to fucking lose because his mentality is a zero. He have no shame. He have no respect for himself. He have no legacy. He have no integrity. He have no reputation. Why you no go post your picture after he sleep with you? Because anybody wey go see that picture so una dey bed, they must think say una don go Jerusalem come back. They must think now wetin he want. That one at the after he sleep with you with the intention to humiliate you. For him taking the picture, he don't already get the trophy. He don't already get the proof to say he sleep with you. Because this type of men that are sexually sick, they believe say their self-esteem is very low, their ego is very low. They believe say the more they talk about how many women they sleep with, everything, if other men they don't agree, they don't believe say they sleep with you. Maybe you too fine, maybe you too the make shakara, they believe say you not fit sleep with you. Now that picture be the last thing when they come, they show, they say, see the picture now, see the picture when I sleep with her, see the video when I sleep with her. Because they are sick. They are sick. Stay away from them. Stay away. I beg. If na pennies be your problem, say some men for you, they go even fuck you, pay you join. Why you not just take that option until you get better man, until you get quality man? I know say to get quality man for black community is very difficult. You need to package yourself. You need to know what you they do to be able to vent men. Instead of you choosing men because of their manhood, because of how their pennies big rich, choose with your brain. Sleep with them with your brain, not be with their pennies. Because at the end, all these men where they sleep around everywhere, so your video, your picture is in their phone. E no get as you go sharp reach unless you just stay away from them. Sickness na dem dey share am. Hepatitis, gonorrhea, STD, HIV na dem dey share am. They go sleep with Vivian, they go sleep with Joy, they go sleep with mama this one, they go sleep with mama the other one, they go sleep with the other one. Sickness dey go. They dey share sickness. So more una use una brain. More una use una brain. All this men wey dey come from Italy, so stay 100 miles away from them. If you want to touch them with stick, stay away from them. Many of them, they are traumatized when they take stay for Libya, when they take go through war, when they take go through problem. Mona let them rehabilitate themselves by themselves. Instead of una, they take una vagina, they rehabilitate them. They take una vagina, they entertain them. Mona stop am. Because at the end, belle, single mother, both bad fruit. Now I go bring corner, go born children wey go resemble their behavior. Mona think very well. This nonsense have to stop. And CJ, audio husband, stay away from women for Germany. Because we know say your phone don't fool. Your phone don't fool. When you take the video women and record women and take the picture for Germany there. Because nobody don't expose you. Now me they come out now they expose you. Stay away from our women. Stay away from our women. If not, if you continue to do this thing, now so person go see they sleep with your wife for village where she did there. Now me talk am. Now so person go see they sleep with your wife. Stay away from our Benin girls. Stop videoing them when you sleep with them. Stop taking them pictures and sharing their pictures everywhere. It has to stop. If you continue to do this thing, I go to expose you everywhere. I go to do your live video every day. People will know you. Wanna share this video. Wanna share am. Prince CJ, his wife name. His sister. Oh, tell me what she. His wife name na his audio wife name na Princess CJ. Because if you marry your husband, na disgrace, na they bring the come for you at the end. Disgrace, na go bring come. That's why you have to buy sense. You have to buy sense. So Mona not forget, Mona share this video. This video very, very important. The guy when they talk to so, especially when away they newly they come. I don't want to make sure your name. Hey sister, this boy when they talk so now Germany he did my Facebook. I post the picture. Prince CJ, and then they call him. They plait hair, they plait women hair. They do tattoo. If he sleep with women, he go take their picture, take their video. He go they post and they give people. Mona share this video. Make people know her. And if you take house for your house, you go to sleep with your wife, you no go know. You go to sleep with your girlfriend, you no go know. And now when they get grown-up children for house, Mona dey careful. Make una dey careful with them. You know they feel sleep, you know fuck. Now so they find single mother, they find women where you want sleep for a house, where you want chop, where you want buy a phone. A phone is bare. Make una open una eye. Make una help me share this video, I beg. Make una help me share am. Very, very important. Very, very important. The woman when he say he sleep with 1 year ago, now they share a picture for our state. So he say, we say what about the guests? Are they not aware that he is making sex tape for them? No. Some of them not there aware. You know most of our guests now. You know they now. Many they're not sharp. They're not sharp. Some of them, if they don't enter house now, I know where what. After you fucky, they just open leg down. He go hide the camera, go the video them. Or he go, if you don't like that for bed, he go take the picture. If you don't take the picture, that one say delete her. He go say I don't delete her. Babes, if man take you picture, he tell you say he just delete am, and that picture maybe you dey rub cream, maybe you naked, maybe you tie wrapper. That is your own privacy, your house. Even though na your boyfriend, he give you ring wey make the gba. No. Collect that from his papa and the generation. Make sure say you delete that picture. If you no fit delete am, make e come tomorrow, come take that phone. Make sure say you don't check that phone. Delete the picture. Don't allow it, because the evil when all these men did this time is too much. Why they expose this boy so, Patrick? Now another Ishan boy still they do this thing for our state for year before police pursue am. This one too, he can't still come here again. He can't still start to they do the same thing. They sleep with women, video them, take them picture on our way, and go to share am. And he say he get wife. Now that one can't pay me pass. And he say he get daughter. So you get wife, you get daughter. You have the guts to take the post women picture, the video they unaware. Meanwhile, your wife go dey Facebook. He go, hey, my darling, my hobby, my carry husband. Now only you want to get that prick. Everybody pennies because you can't born put. Now born put they call am, because now waiting your now the position where your husband, your cassava, your public cassava put you. Now they put you so. You born put. You go to praise this man. Meanwhile, he no even give a damn about you. How can a man wey call himself a married man? He go to post picture when he no even cover his face. He did this phone until they talk so. You dey post picture when you tell like that with another woman for bed. You want make people they insinuate say you don't sleep with that woman. If it is not an agreement between him and his victim, they easily report to the authorities and they will bring it to justice. That is what I told this woman today. I said I will create public awareness first, because he did Germany now. Italy now if a day before they say they pursue one for Italy. He get, I don't know, maybe one man will go sleep with the wife. That one go swear or wire for her. That one go swear for her. As I look, he get one big accident. Now so the motor press. He can't see head break come out inside. He still continue to do evil. Just imagine. Person when you get that kind of big accident, motor press, you they do evil. Because you see your life break come out. You they do evil. This one's supposed to be your second chance. But you they take and do evil. Take and they destroy people. The woman when post the picture, so as the boyfriend see the picture, he just end the relationship. The boyfriend end the relationship. He go carry house for petty house. He dey sleep with the landlady. He dey sleep with another woman wey dey the house, and he know say the woman get boyfriend that be husband. If the man go work, he go dey sleep with the woman for house. Until CJ with the woman or second and third boyfriend, they come dey fight. Ask CJ, he go police station because of this matter. He come dey even dey toast me. I no even mind am. He go dey call me for night. They disturb my phone. It is I be that repartidor the chocho. No reparty nada. I know they share my body for no fucking bagger. If I not marry black, a lot of nationality they want to marry responsible man when they born well cultured one. Not be culture one for the practice single mother. They walk away from their family, walk away from marriage. They sleep around everywhere. Now life una they live so. Now life una they live so. When CJ they talk say all this single mother and they sleep with them. The day when do my hair, they sleep with all these women. Now so they call her. Who the fuck you be, CJ, with your leg where it be like this? He dey even dey toast me. He dey even dey toast me. We wey dey chop agbaka money, nothing dey come out. He dey toast me. I come dey laugh. He dey toast me. Oh, they call me for night. This boy, they call me for night. Nimure. I no even pick phone. Call me more than 6 times. I no pick phone. They tell me say we come my store. Why you no dey pick phone? I call you. Why you call me? I don't see your call. Oh, I don't see your call. I don't see your call. Because those type of call, me I know they see am. Just imagine. People when I don't cast, I don't detoxify myself from this type of men. I don't reject them. I don't wake up for night naked. Reject this category of black men from my life. You they call me. It's a pity. It's a pity. Wetin he come even pay me pass. The man when he destroy his relationship, when they stay their house, he go they send the man. When the woman go marry another man, he go do one audio marriage for Nigeria. He carry the picture of the marriage. He go they send and give the man. This boy so. This last week, 2 days ago, he carry the woman. This woman when he say he don't sleep with, so he carry the woman picture, go they post and give the man. They tell the man say they don't poison the man because the man go this woman bar, go buy drink with friends. He send the man message after he come up for them. He said they don't poison the man. How can somebody destroy your relationship although the woman na public toilet? Because for person to get boyfriend for house when they go work 247 professional, you get extra boyfriend for corner, about 2 boyfriend. You still get another boyfriend for house when they sleep with two of them when they the same house. That is a public disgrace to start with. For CJ, go they send the man the picture of woman when he say he sleep with. They share and they give people. He still send the picture, go give the girl boyfriend. That one not be devil be that. That one not be monster. That one a devil now. How they tell they describe person will be devil. They toast me. I don't reject una tete. All this type of men. I don't reject una. See, I don't reject una tete. I don't reject una. Wait till I want to take you do. That your leg will look like this. Ugly thing. When you see they bleach yourself, they join. If you don't do their hair finish, you go sleep with the women. Make una not trust them, oh, Jama boys. Jama boys. Jama men. I dey tell una. I go still do video tomorrow. Make una not trust this boy. Mona not trust am. Mona not trust am. He not get another work apart from to the lick toto, the lick women toto up and down. Na it be work. Una wife to the extent say they go to take una money, they buy phone, they give this boy. You know they carry one phone, they go. This one go buy a phone. The other one go buy a phone. The other one go buy and give am food. Now they do, they go for Europe. They plate it, they join. As they plate the hair for up, now so you see they plate the one for down. So na 2 type of hair they plate. Una when be men when they trust una fellow men. Now they talk to so. When una wife go say, hey, now they plate my hair. My oga no say they plate the hair for up and they plate the one for down. Know that one. Just now me tell you. Set and trap. If CJ they plate your wife hair, set and trap. And now when be women when they sleep with her. If this boy not get sickness, he na lie. Na lie. Because they sleep with every woman when see without protection. Now so they place their hair with the mat for down. na so they wash their plates. So more una know where una dey fall into. And at the end, that una picture, you go dey with am. Una video, you go dey with am. So more una buy sense. More una buy sense. CJ the plate liquor. CJ when they plate women up, when they plate their down. Make una know, make una know. I don't talk my own finish. I don't talk my own finish. Now two type of hair they play. Now two type of hair they plate oh. It go plate up, it go plate down. So make una know. It no get shame as you say as so. Now so it mat they leak. As they plate your hair, if you sleep with Vivian, it go if they plate your hair, it go they tell her everything. Now so I sleep here oh. Now so the woman leg go. Now so he vagina oh. Now so he mat the leak. I know say Shame they talk, but this one, all this shiba so di van. Now so he mat the leak. He mat not they stay for one place. The woman will destroy a relationship for you. He say he want go marry her. CJ, what are you still waiting for? If you not marry that woman, you don't go do audio marriage now. If you not marry her, as it's done day now, you know, if you not go marry that woman, a thunder go fire you. Now thunder go fire you. Let me tell you. Because you don't want to destroy her for everywhere. I know as I do this video, so people will call me. I know. Say that your sickness when they worry you for Victoria that time. It is sickness never go because na sexual sickness. Na evil spirits. You be monster. I know say that pathology never come up for your body. You will still continue to do what you know how to do. Which is plate up and plate down. You be hair plater. You go take your hand, plate the up. You go take your mat, plate the down. Meanwhile, your audio wife, he go dey praise you. Now so you dey put Oyibo for Facebook. Although the Oyibo will reach to be your grandmama, to be your mama, because you dey Europe. Ah yes, your husband will send you 50 euro. Is that enough for your husband to be disrespecting you in public? Posting different type of women where they lick their vagina. Is that enough? Now me they talk if man they go Europe, bye. I carry another one. I don't get time to wait any bag for this short life. I'll come they sit down, they wait one man. He go there Europe. They choose, they pick, they live in life. I go there, they praise her for Facebook. Thunder fire that man. Thunder fire am. Go come block my way. It is forbidden for a woman to sleep with another man. Meanwhile, he go dey select, they carry, they lick, they plate head, they plate down. It is forbidden for woman to sleep with another man. Is that not a bondage? He put you in bondage. He put you in bondage for him to dey sleep around, they lick all the women vagina. He even have the fucking audacity to dey post picture with for bed with woman wey he be say he sleep with. If you want the picture, because you go say na lie, your husband send me, I go send her to you. Make you see wetin your husband dey do for Europe. Not be today start am. They pursue am for Italy. They pursue am for Spain here for where he come here. They say don't go another city. They pursue am for there because of a promiscuous way when they live. They plate head, they plate down. Both married women. Any man when they do like that, he go quit die. He go quit die. Now make me they do this video so make it not die. If he go change from his way, Mona not they give her hair again, make it they do. Make una not they give her body, make they tattoo again. Now so we do it for year before they come pursue one. The man will go sleep with you. That one want dismiss him for you. Now you run go Belgium. That one control boys for Belgium. make dem dismiss am. He run from Belgium. That one he come run go Germany. He dey Germany now. So German men, make una open una eye. Shine your eye. Make una shine una eye. E dey say na so dey play up and down. You dey Germany, make una keep una wife o. If una dey Germany, make una keep una wife for CJ o. CJ the hairdresser. Make I drink water. CJ the hairdresser, wey dey plait head, dey plait down. Make una hide una wife o. All these Libya boys, the disease wey dem don take, wey Arabu don take fuck many of their nyash for Libya. Na so dem dey misbehave up and down. Boys wey pass Morocco sef, dem even dey decent a little bit pass dem, because some kind things for there, e no dey happen here. These people, they need rehabilitation. They no need your womb for you to dey born for them. They no need you to be their wife. They no need you to be their mama. They no need you to be their girlfriend. Let them rehabilitate themselves. Please, my ladies, stop having babies for these people. Stop. You will, if na man you want born for them, you will have children exactly with the same pathology, the same behavior. If na woman is a problem, muna stop am. These people, they no want una body, they no want your womb, they no want anything from you. Let them go rehabilitate themselves. They need rehabilitation. They need to talk. I think I would do program, Tales from Morocco, Tales from Libya, so that these people can talk. They have a lot to say. They experience a lot of things. But they use it, they put the anger, the pain, everything on you ladies. And most of you are nice to them. You cook free food for them because you are stupid. You give them your money because you are stupid. You open your womb, your precious womb that will be bringing beautiful, beautiful babies for a man that value babies, for a man that will wife you. You will spend your time having babies for these riff rats. You will take your money and buy phone for this goat. All these men that are supposed to tie rope for their neck, they're going to make meh, they go. You will carry money, you will go buy phone for them. Why? You will be inviting them to your house to come and do what? People that have evil spirit like this, people that set camera to video you, if you have them as a partner, they are going to be sleeping with your children. They are going to be misbehaving. Please, be selective, ladies. Be selective who you allow to enter your body, who you procreate your children with. Your children are so precious. Your body is so precious. So, try and watch out very well. These people, they don't talk good about any of you. I listen to them all the time. They don't talk, they are angry. The more you buy phone for them, the more they call you mugu. The more you invite them to come and eat, they call you mugu. Everything you do for them, they think they are taking from you. You are paying them for the service they are rendering you. So ladies, stop. Stop, please. Stop. Know your self-worth. Know your dignity. Your body is a pleasure palace that any man that you choose to enter, he's supposed to be happy. It's supposed to be a privilege and not a right. That is what you should know. These people are taking a piece, especially my fellow Edo girls. Raise your standard, babes. raise your fucking standard. Forget you have children. Forget. Any man that don't want it, stop having their fucking babies. Stop it. Stop it. These people are taking you for a ride. They will sleep with nothing. They will go and post your pictures everywhere. They will go and be showing your video to people. With all these low vibrational men. Ladies, wake up. Just wake up, please. Wake up. Things are happening. Many of you even walk innocently. You don't know these men have pictures, have videos that they show their fellow degenerated men. Please, just try your best. Please, stop it. Sex will not kill you. Stop listening to all those women that don't know what they are doing. Cold does start to. Now side the year and cold does start to. Cold does start to. Cold. I never see that. If cold start, waiting. You don't need all these people. You don't need them. The time you will be with them because of their bad spirit, you no go fit find better man. They will just block your way. And when some certain quality men see say you deal with all these dustbin, even though they like you, they will not like to approach you. They will not. It's better you are single. People, everybody know you are single than you sleeping around with all these useless men like this Prince CJ. I don't know where for Prince come out. Prince wey not Prince. Pig. Abeg. Mona stop. May all these men not dey plate on her hair for up the plate the down. Abeg. If person go plate, go plate. Don't be say one man go plate your hair finish. You will come dey sit around, one sleep with you. It too look you cheap. If any man won't approach you like that, walk him out of your house. If you not take, call police for her immediately. May they go deport her for Africa. May go stay for there. May they go they behave badly there. I beg. Make I leave this video like this. Make una help me share this video. I want make people get this message. I want make people get this message. This boy, they do evil. They do evil. They do bad. Wanna help me share this message. I seen they share people video, they share people pictures up and down. Make una see help me share this one. This one a message will go help my fellow ladies. It go see help my fellow men. May you not go through waiting this boy they do people where don't sleep with their girlfriend. May una help me share this message, okay? I love all of you now. Now the shine your eye Facebook, shine your eye, shine your garden eye, okay? I love all of you now. I love all of you now. I love all of you now. Bye bye. Bye.